Hey everyone, I woke up like at around 10 today. Today's Friday, and yeah, I took a shower, and I'm getting some diaper laundry done, and I just put Archer down for his morning nap. So yeah, and right now I'm getting onto my Facebook page to answer some messages because I haven't been able to get on for the past couple days. So I probably have quite a few messages. So, oh my goodness. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And then Bob gets off work in I think like 5 minutes or so. So it's gonna be noon. Fridays are half days for him. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing this morning. So I guess once Bob gets here, we'll see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
What are you making a video?
For my vlog.
5-star wrestling.
So we ran several errands today. So yeah, we went to Best Buy. I went to Sprint store. I got myself a phone case for my new phone, and we're playing Monopoly Wii. I'm making a video. Right now I'm putting Archer to sleep. We also went to Target to get some more stuff. We wanted to get a high chair for Archer, but they didn't have any more in stock, so we're gonna have to wait until they get some more in stock and then we can get it. And it sucks because they're on sale right now. It sucks. They're on sale, Bubba's. Yeah. So yeah, that's been our day so far. We're just relaxing, playing some Monopoly Wii, and yeah. Yeah, looks like it's gonna rain. Oh, I love the rain. I think it's like 7 o'clock right now. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. Hi, Austin. Don't jump, don't jump. Hey, Madeline. Hi, Mamas. Looks like I need to get you guys some more water. You guys are running on low. You're running on low over there. Yeah, I'll get you some more water. Yeah. How pretty. I love the rain. Do you guys live in an area where it doesn't rain ever? Oh, did I just get that lightning? Did you guys just see that lightning? That was awesome. So yeah, we live in an area that it rains like once a year, twice a year maybe. Yeah, so yeah, plus the grass needs it. There's a lot of yellow spots. So yeah, the grass needs some water. Although I have been watering it every other day. Hi, Bubba's. And right now I'm gonna feed Archer. Let me see if Archer's at. Say hi. Thunder. Little Thunder? He's looking at the dogs. So yeah. He loves his puppies. So I'm excited. And Bob's at the gym right now, so he should be coming home soon. So I'm gonna feed my son because he's getting a little fussy, and then probably put him down for bed because his bedtime's usually around 7 or 8. So Mr. Archer's going to sleep. Are you gonna go night? Yeah, he's so tired. He just nursed on both sides. Right, baby? So now I'm just bouncing him to sleep. Beautiful rain. I love the rain. And my grass needs it. We need the rain. I'm so glad it's raining so I don't have to water the lawn. Yay. You guys like the rain? Are you hungry? I just moved their kennels back because they were just both of them. Well, I need to get another tray for his right there, but it was getting wet. I don't know if you can see there. It was getting wet, so, and they were both inside their kennels. So yeah. Well, Austin, that's not your kennel. Get out of there. So yeah. And I need to hose down the patio because it's all full of dirt. All full of dirt. Yeah. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna feed him. Are you hungry? Yeah, you hungry? Austin, in. Good boy. Yeah, we gotta get him another tray. We've tried putting like towels and blankets in there and stuff like that. He doesn't like them. He'll either rip them up or he'll take them out and then he'll lay in there. So, but he has a lot of fur. He has really thick fur and it's really hot where we live. So I don't blame him. So yeah, we just gotta get him another tray. Right, mamas? You ready? Okay, let's feed. There you go. Hey. You hungry? Archer. Eating at Danny's restaurant.
Stop doing it.
Say cheese! This kid is cleaning the table. Just back and forth.
Little boy, you're so silly.
All those germs, yummy. Is it good?
You're so silly, little boy.
Is it good? No, say hi everybody.
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that, little boy?
He's hungry. What'd you get?
That's pequeña with chicken rajita.
Yummy.